I think I'm gonna start with not wearing balloons and not this. Hi freaks, welcome back to Hi Stylin. Look at what Jaime is gonna have me wear today. It's like bondage inspired, I guess. And then I don't understand what's going on with the bottom half. It looks like a skirt made of a bag with a shoe as the hem, and then giant earrings coming out of that to decorate the pants, I guess. Oh, and then the gloves are a nice touch. Well, let's do it. Okay, well, these balloons were much bigger than anticipated and very much the wrong color, but this was the best I could do, Jaime. I'm strapped into my belts here. I just interpreted the bag with the shoe bottom as this skirt with like a flouncy hem because I don't have a way to make a silver hem, but I think the idea of the shoe was just to have the skirt kind of go out. So this is my recreation of the look. Where I'm gonna go from here, I have no idea. Nothing about this look makes any sense at all. We've got some kind of like girly floral with like this sort of like industrial. These earrings are actually made of, um, what are they called? Nuts? Like actual, hardware. So I don't know what this look is, but maybe it'll have shoes. I think I'm gonna start with not wearing balloons and not this. Also, this is my skirt that has the built-in spandex shorts over jeans, which feels so gross. I just want to get out of this. Okay, if I wear this belt as a belt in the belt loops, it still makes no sense with this top, but I don't know, maybe I can make it make sense somehow. Or another idea is to have a different skirt with like, I don't know, some kind of tights or leggings under it with the belt on top. But that doesn't change how much this shirt makes no sense. Let me go play around. Well, since I think we're going to have to change this look a lot in order to get it to work, I thought I could at least go back to the original items. So this bag was the skirt, and then this shoe was the bottom of the skirt. And it actually kind of brings some more femininity to contrast with the belt. I still don't really like it though. We might have to switch this top for like a different floral top that just works better. I don't know. Or if we think that the belt is just not the right accessory to work, we could try this shoe with a giant cord lock, which kind of has the same vibe and same colors, or this red bag. But none of this is helping the top make more sense. Let me try a different floral top because I think the pink and all the colors with this red is not working for me in this case. Ooh, yeah, I think this actually works fine with this kind of floral top that's the same industrial looking gray. Oh, and then I had also put on the pants decor as earrings. So now we can just go back to the white bag so we don't have too much red. And do we need the gloves? I mean, I don't think so really, but sure, I guess. We kind of lost the whole bondage look. I think what I would do instead of the gloves is maybe some black sunglasses. Since I had so many belts wrapped around me, it could be like reminiscent of a blindfold or something. But I think my black sunglasses are unavailable at the moment. So I guess this is the look. I don't love it. I don't hate it. It's fine. But to be fair, what I started with was pretty horrible. So I think this is wearable at least. And I do enjoy the contrast of the belt with the floral top. I don't love the length of the pants. I wish they were a little bit longer with these shoes, but it's passable. Where would I wear this? I would wear this to celebrate getting 8,008 subscribers, or 8,080 subscribers, or 8,800 subscribers. It's gonna be a while. Anyway, let me know in the comments whose look you liked better, regular me or Jaime's look. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and tell 8,000 of your friends too. Next week, Jaime's got me in a rare all black look, so don't miss it.